Hi guys, welcome to this video. We're going to explore how to find the equation of a straight line if you have two distinct points or two different points. Okay, so if we want to find the equation of a straight line, we do need to know 2 points, and we'll just call them x1, y1, x2, y2. Now we've already seen in a previous video how to find the equation of a straight line if we have a gradient and a single point. So we're going to use the same formula, but this time we're going to have to find out the gradient first and then substitute one of the points into the point gradient formula. Now it doesn't matter if you choose that point, so you have x1, y1, or if you have the other point, x2, y2. So it doesn't matter if you have x1, y1 or x2, y2, you will end up having the same equation at the end. Okay, so our first equation that we'll try and find is a line going through these 2 points, 1, -2, and 2, 4. So let's work out the gradient of this line first by our gradient formula. We'll just call the first point x1, y1 and the second point x2, y2. So substituting our values in, we end up getting 4 take away -2 and then all over run, which is 2 take away 1. And this works out to become 6 on your numerator and 1 on your denominator. So that works out to become a nice number, 6. So the steepness is a positive number and it's also 6. Here's the equation of a straight line if you have a gradient and a point. But we have 2 points, so it doesn't matter which one we choose. We could choose this one, but I'm going to choose this one here. So y minus y1, so there's our y1, y minus y1 is equal to m, and m is our gradient, and then brackets x minus, and then we've got x1, which is 1, so x minus 1. Okay, so our left hand side becomes a y plus 2, and expanding the brackets on the right hand side becomes a 6x minus 6. And you've got 2 choices. You can either get it into gradient intercept form or write it in general form. And I'm just going to write it as gradient intercept form for this particular one. So the equation of the line that goes through those 2 points is y equals 6x minus 8. So there's our 2 points, and a straight line that goes through both of those has that particular equation. Okay, this particular one is asking us to find the equation of a line in general form. So I'll get you to pause the video and have a go yourself at finding what the equation will be that goes through those 2, and you have to write it in general form. Okay, step 1's the same, so calculating the gradient. Again, I'm just going to choose this one as x1, y1, and this one as x2, y2. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Substituting in, we end up getting -2 all over 8, which works out to become -1/4. Substitute that into our point gradient formula. So y minus y1, so there's our y1, is equal to m, brackets x minus, and here's our x1. I want to get rid of this 4 in the denominator, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. So multiplying this by 4 and multiplying the right hand side by 4 means that those will simplify or cancel, and then you have this 4 brackets y minus 3, and then you have a minus 1, so a -1. You don't have to have the 1 there, but I'm just going to write it in so you can visually see that 1 is still there, and then this becomes and x plus 7. Expand your brackets to remove the grouping symbols, and we want it in general form, so we want the x to be positive, so we need to add x to both sides. And then we have x plus 4y, take away 12 is equal to negative 7. We want it to say it equals 0, so add 7 to both sides. And there is our equation of the straight line in general form. Okay, thank you for watching that video. And that video demonstrated how to calculate the equation of a straight line if you have two distinct points. So this is just one way you can work out that equation. Thanks for watching.